Hi guys, today we are going to talk about VMware ESXi. So this lab setup that I'm going to discuss with you so that you can build in your home itself. So there is no much resources required. So if you see here in this diagram, so we have taken that two ESXi box, Windows Server, and one we are creating that domain. So for that AD and DNS, and we have given one domain name also. So over here we can see how in this lab we are going to talk about entire DNS, DHCP, and how to integrate with your ESX. I mean, if you see here, we have given the ESXi version 4, but actually just because of it required less resources, that's what we have taken that ESX version 4. Now ESX version 5 onwards, it's ESXi, not ESX. Anyway, so we will be doing that in this topology. We'll be doing all that deployment, how to install Windows Server, how to deploy Hyper-V, how to have a communication between two ESX box, and then some of that Windows XP machine, and some of that Windows server 2003 and 2008 we'll be using, because that required very less resources. More less resources we will be using, so like we can perform the task very properly. So that is all about the things. So second thing is, if you see here, like we have created one heartbeat between two of that connection. So that heartbeat you will be taking for that high availability and other things, so we will be taking care of that. And one gateway we have created in VMware, I'll show you up that how to create that gateway. If you see in this the gateway. And regarding the configuration, you can see that CPU, two CPU we have given for the ESX, and the IP address is 192.168 1.6 and 7. That is the ESX2 is the 7. And afterwards, you can see here that storage we have created. Like storage will be using some, we don't have that SAN or NAS, right? So we'll be using some third party tool in order to use as a SAN. So yeah, in this diagram there is nothing like tough, because whatever you can see in this, you don't, if you see the diagram very well, so it's all about that connectivity. And connectivity between two ESXi, one Windows Server, Windows Server 3, and then one VI client. VI client means from where you will be having access of that your ESX box. And finally we'll be giving some, if you're having that 50 or 80 GB hard disk, so you can make it done, so it won't be a challenge. Now with ESX, it's you are connected with that server 2003 VM. So and you will be connected with that VI client, and then you will be having that Hyper-V. So you just go through the diagram. There's nothing difficulties that you won't be facing. So that diagram is very simple. Just total 6 of the device will be here, and we'll be deploying on that. Okay.